Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the spaceship. Yes, the Millennium Falcon, and we're going on. As you can see right here, I've got most of it there, all together. We've got the whole jig that we have at the ready, and I've got packs right there at the ready from 32 to 36. So I've got 32 at the ready here. We've got the magazines at the ready here. So let's get straight into this and start this beautiful build. So these are the parts for this stage. I'm going to put them up here and let's see what we're going to do. Straighten it up. As you can see, 32 here with the spaceship for Count Dooku, which they're trying to knock down. A little bit of sublight drives, an explanation of that sublight drive, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to make that, and that's it. We will be getting a detailed version of how to get that to what it really looks like with the red parts in there and so on. But we're going straight to the belly cam, back to the belly cam. So this I'm going to put away because we're not using it now. We will be later. And that frame, we won't be using it now, so we will be using that later. So I'm going to put that away. But we will be getting this one in. It's slightly dirtied up, but that's really nice. Okay, we've got these holes, these pins here and these holes here, and we're going to put them on. And they're staying in. They're saying not to glue them in, so we're not going to do that. We might do that in a later stage, probably because we'll be able to paint that later on. This is just seeing whether or not it fits properly. So that's the first stage done. But this is what it looks, and we'll be painting that later on. So I'm going to put that aside. Actually, there's not really a lot happening then, if we're just test fitting those parts in 32 and now in 33 we're going to do more or less the same thing. I think we'll be using that a little bit later on. There's a smaller one, as you can see right there, which fits in the middle. So there's a smaller one that fits in the middle, the other ones are there. As you can see, nicely, it fits nice. We'll be putting those into the back into the bags. I think that's the best thing to do. And I'll put the numbers on, so 32 and 30. 32, and this one is 33. I know they look quite similar, that they're not exactly the same, but it just makes it so much easier to find it when we need it again. Masking tape out to keep that closed, and we're going to put those away. Did we get any screws in? No, we did not, so we have to use those from the bags that we have had earlier. That one in. We are working on this side, so it's quite neatly towards me, and I think we're starting with those. So this is BF 41, 40 and 39. We're going to put them on right here. Then we're getting that second panel, which is called BF40, which is right there. And always make sure that those numbers are up when you put them in. I've been dumb enough to put them the wrong way around, which resulted in a strange thing. Push it up from underneath so it's easier to screw in. Then we get the last part in for this stage. And that is it. 1, 2, and 3, or actually 41, 40, and 39. Pushing them to the side and getting 30. parts for the subframe. We might want to keep this and put the number on it. What was it again? 34. We've got some more parts here. So we're going to get that one out and push those on. They're all the same length, and this is again like previous, just to test fit. We're not gluing it. All right, let's get that bag out again. So yes, you can see, oh, we've got those as well. We're going to put one on. So we're going to put it to the side and put it in the bag later. We've got these. Let's get that sanding board out, because that is not a very neat way they took that off. All right, so we're going to get the glue out. The only other thing that we do while those are drying, I'll get that one out. We test fit that. And there we go, that's test fitted as well. Let's get bag 34 out. All right, we've got some beautiful parts here, which we'll not be using. These two. Let me put that away for a second. These two panels, so we can put them straight back into the bag. But we will be using these parts and putting them together. So let's open them up. We're getting that one out. We're putting a that side up. Is that 01? Yes, that's 01. We're putting this one on top of it, and then screwing some beautiful black screws in there with a little bit of oil on the tip as usual. Don't over tighten it just yet, so you can put the second screw in properly. So we're putting that second one on. No, we're putting a 4 block and a 2 block on. Of those to put on. Then we're getting 4 screws out. Those are the frame screws. You can see what I'm doing. Let me just zoom that up for you and put that in the middle so you know what's going a little bit higher. So then we put that 4 block in. And I'm going to leave that in loosely before we put in. Yeah, we've put that. That's number 3. We're getting BFO2 in, which is this one. And we're putting that one on. So we have that one in, that goes up, as you can see, right there, or down as you want. And then we're going to put a 4 block and a 2 block in. There we go. Then we put that on the other panel in, which is the BFO3. And of course we put some more screws in there with a little bit of oil on the tip. Starting to get boring, but these are the parts that just make it so much easier to put the whole thing together. So I repeat and repeat. Not only to you, but to myself as well. So we can now tighten them both up because they're aligned properly. I've got no more spares now, so I hope it works. So we're going to put that on right there. Yep, with the same screw still. Okay, so we've put those screws in and we've put this whole frame together, and that's what happens in this stage, nothing else. Okay, let's put a number on this thing straight away. 36. So I can leave everything in but the frame parts, and I'm going to take that piece of paper out and that little bag, and we're closing this one up again. Put that away. These are more intricate than the ones that we had before. All right, let's get that thing out. Numbers need to be above. I told you just a little while ago. We have 5. That's 6. Okay. No, I thought I had it wrong, but I've got it together now. And that block we may need, but I don't know. Yeah, we do. All right. Let's use that in a moment. A bit of oil on the tip. And we screw it on. Then let's go to this one. And let's do all the screws that are there, right there as well. And then we're going to put the panel on the other side on as well. And we're putting that little block that we just got right there. So this one goes on that side. That's the BF06. Then let's get that block out. Chuck the plastic in the plastic bin, please. Recycle, recycle. So we put that block on there. Don't over tighten it just yet. Put the other part, screw in on this part as well. Now you can tighten it up on both sides. And that's it for this stage in this prank. I'm gonna have a quick look whether or not we can put it on. And I'm going to be naughty in doing that because it's not actually in the magazine to do, but I'm going to put some screws in here and here, and the rest will come later because we haven't got enough blocks to do that. 1 there and 2 there, and then we cannot do anything else anymore because we haven't got enough parts. And then in May, at the end of May, everything will start up again. You'll probably not see some stuff for at least 2 weeks because I'm on holiday on the beach with a cocktail, in my case a mocktail. That's it, no more to do. All right, let's put this aside. So that is it. As you see on the side camera here, this is what we have. We've got it all together. It's not connected, but we'll be doing that in the next stage. But I hope you enjoy that. Please like, subscribe and pass it on. Join me next time on any of these builds, maybe this lovely big ship or that robot over there, Mr. Prime, and all the others that you see there. But check out my channel and you'll see them all, and you'll probably, I hope you enjoy them. So do enjoy them. Join me next time, and I hope to see you there. Bye bye.